I just made this slime. Okay, sorry. Okay, and this slime that I just made is the best slime I have ever made. It's so sticky, it's so stretchy. That was a slime, guys. That was not me. I promise. I promise. Remember that video that I did about the juice thing? Yeah, I ran out of the juice. So that was a slime. So I won't be doing it until we go back to the place we got it from. Just wiggled a lot. That was the freaking slime. So I'm gonna be doing slime pet peeves with this slime. I have 3 more slimes. So we're gonna do it with these 3. The 3, okay? So let's get started. Whenever the person farts, and then they blame it on the slime. That was a slime. I promise. That was a slime. That was either the slime or a ghost. The person who has the really bad slime. This is the best slime ever. The person who makes 2 over tiny activated slimes together and they don't even mix together. So here's the slimes. They're definitely not overactivated. See, they're really stretchy. See, watch. See. Okay. These were so good. Okay, let's add some more. Let's add some more activator because this is like bad. Hang on, guys. Okay, so here we go. So this is slime. So here it is. It's the best slime ever. Let me pour it. Oh, I'll get it. Hang on. So here's all the shreds that are very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's not a lot. I mean, it's the best slime ever. See, look, it stretches because it's like shreds. See, the person who lies about their slimes. Hey guys, so I just brought this slime. I just made it. I know it says Nickelodeon slime, £3, but it's really not the Nickelodeon slime. See, it's really light and it's really good. So we're gonna take out the pink one. The person who keeps their huge slime that they just bought in the container, and there's just like 3 ones. Okay, so here's the slime. So this slime is can really see it whenever I poke it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you did, smash that like button. And comment down below what's your favorite one I did. So bye. Love you. Subscribe to my channel.